Hey guys, so this is just a quick example of what I'm looking for you to turn in today. So you can see I have a guitar here. You can use strings or piano too, that's totally fine. But you can see it plays chords, and then I have a drum kit with it. I actually use the drummer thing, the yellow dude who plays the drums for you. Really quick, this is what it sounds like. And it kind of loops from there. It's the same thing all the way through. You can see I have 16 measures, right? If you need to change the measure number, right up here in the plus, you want to get to 16 bars, exactly that. You don't need to do more, don't do less. Up here, this is how you change the tempo and the key signature, right? So I like G major. I put the tempo 80s on the slow side, right? Time signature can also change how it goes. To really quick show you how I did this, like when I was in guitar here, I have autoplay on. I put it on 3. The higher the number, the more complicated it is. I put on the metronome, that little blue button here, because it doesn't matter if you're recording in GarageBand. I hit the record button, the red button, it clicked off 4, and then I just 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I repeated it and did the whole thing again. Just had to make sure I'm counting to 4 and switching every time I hit 4, just depending now if I picked 3. So if I was in 3/4, I'd count to 3. Okay, 6/8, I'd leave that alone. Just choose one of these two, 4/4, 3/4. If you're in 4, you count to 4 and then you change. If you're in 3/4, you count to 3 and then you change. Now, if your guitar tic-tac-toe tells you to do 2 measures, then you count to 8. Right, so I would count to 8 if I did a chord with 2 measures of stuff. So I would count to 8 instead of 4, right? And now once I got that, so I just went across to my 16. Now what you could also just do 4 measures of it and then copy and loop it if you wanted to. That's another possibility, but that causes kind of like a weird break. So I like to just go all the way through. And then I went over to my drummer and I chose this guy. I thought he fit with what I was doing. I moved around my little yellow dot over here on the left to increase the sound, the complexity, all that kind of stuff. And I goofed around with it for a while, picked some presets, pick some different instruments here in the middle, and settled upon what I wanted this guy to play for me. And then all I did was, it just plugs it in automatically. There's not even any recording to do. And there you have it. That's all I'm looking for you to do. It's going to be a nice little, using the chords you chose the other day and recorded along with the drum. If you haven't already done this, this is how you do it. You don't have to do anything else. And then the instructions on how to upload it are in Schoology. So just check those out. All right, looking forward to hearing it.